Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to be starting a very much interesting topic, Go language, Google's language, actually. This is a very much interesting programming language. When you compare with Java, when you compare with other .NET programming languages, Go language is more faster builder programming language, which is going to be having a compilation, all these things, and you can able to build full stack applications using with the Go language, and you can able to connect with APIs, you can able to build a RESTful APIs, and you can able to connect with multiple kind of databases like SQL Server, MySQL, MongoDB, and you can able to do the CRUD operations, all these things with the Go language. It's a powerful language and faster builder programming language, compiler programming language. So fine. So for this Go language, we have the session for 30 hours. So in these 30 hours, week one, introduction basics, introduction to Go installation, environment setup, and Go root, Go path, a hello world program, and we can able to practice all these programs with the Visual Studio Code, and that is the free editor. No need to pay any money for this Golang. So you can go with we can go with the variables, constants, data types, type conversions, all normal programming language. See, when you go with the general programming language, what are the basic further concepts which are going to be available? Uh, Programming fundamentals. What are the programming fundamentals? Like variables, like constants, like data types, like operators, like control statements, like conditions, like functions. Inside the functions, again, parameters, multiple values, return types, and valid functions, and pointers. In Go, basics and uses. And mini project, a simple calculator CLI, we will go through the Go language in the week one. This is very much interesting and very much simple. And syntaxes, I will explain in the classes, regular classes, whatever we have. And I will upload all the videos in the YouTube. You can just go through the videos, all the Go language. Okay, right now we are not charging any money for the Go language. And week two, core data structures and OOPS concepts. Though we can go with the arrays, slices, and creating array, how to create array, how to slice the array, how to append the values into the array, and how to copy the array, and what are the different kind of operations we can able to perform, we can do it. Next, we can go with the maps. Maps like a key value pair system. So where other programming languages called dictionaries, and here in the Go is map actually. And you will be having CRUD operations like iterations and all these things we can do with the maps. Then we'll go with the structs, defining struct, nesting the struct, methods and all we will perform with the structs we do in the programming. Next, come to the interfaces. In interfaces, you will be having like a polymorphism, empty interface, type assertions, all these things we will do. Next, we'll have error handling, error type, panic recover, all these things we will do. Packages, modules like Go, mod init, imports, external libraries we can do. And we will do one more mini project here, a student record management system using with the structs and maps. Okay. Right. This is the week two. Week two is OOPS concepts basically, guys. You have to understand all the OOP concepts in the Go. Go is also object-oriented programming language, powerful programming language, faster builder programming language. Now all the big MNCs are actually working with the Go, and all the companies got adapted like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and different kind of other companies, Amazon also. Concurrency web programming. So concurrency basics and Go routines and channels, buffered, unbuffered, select statements, channel operations, sync packages, wait groups, and mutex for race conditions and HTTP basics. Build a simple web server. So I already told you. Go programming is like a Java. Go programming is like a .NET C Sharp. Go programming like a Python. Go programming like a PHP. Go programming like a Node.js. So you can able to build end-to-end full stack application using with the Go programming. Front end anyway, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We already know, and we already started a number of videos for the user interface, and connect the user interfaces with the Go language, and Go language connecting to the databases, end-to-end front end, back end migration. Again, you can able to build end-to-end full stack web application using with the Go programming. Now come to the REST APIs. You can able to do the request response process like a JSON request response building, and how to make JSON parsing, and how you can able to push the values or post the values from client system to server system, and how you can able to take the values from the server system to client system, we can do. Next, we have the mini project here, task manager like a REST API with Go routine. Come to the week four. Week four is the important one where we can able to go with advanced Go and projects like file handling, reading file, writing text, JSON data reading, CSV files, databases integrations like database, SQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL, all these things we will do here. So here we have the database basic concepts we can learn, some DML commands, DDL commands, all these things we will learn, and we try to integrate with the database. Next, ORM basics with the GoRAM, authentication with the JWT in Go, logging and error handling best practices, and test with Go, testing packages and table-driven tests, and all the things we will do from the programming level. Go web frameworks like Zin, Echo, Fiber overview we will do. And deployment will be build binaries, cross compilation, Docker we will do. And finally, we will do the blogging API with auth, a database, a Docker deployment. End of the day, we will do the final project. That project is a very, very interesting project, a blogging API with auth, database with the Docker deployment end to end. We will see. I am telling one more time, Go is server-side programming language. Go is what? Server-side programming language, not a client-side programming language. Client-side only JavaScript. Client-side only JavaScript. On top of JavaScript, some other React, Angular, Vue will be there. But Go is HTTP connections. Go is database connections. Go connecting to the database. This is server-side middleware. One more time I'm talking. This is middleware. What is middleware programming? Middleware always the bridge between the front end and the database. This is middleware like Java, like .NET, like Node.js, like PHP, like Python. Yes, good. Finally, Mohansh is actually having a different concept. Mohansh's strategy is different. Learn by working and workspace atmosphere and learning. Master skills with your real-time work concepts, practices, still you become master. Real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you learned your dream job. Okay, one more thing. I want to show you how the job market for the Go, I will show now. Okay, let me open the LinkedIn Naukri. This one, different kind of found it. Time jobs. I will open one by one. Just wait and see how the job market for the Go programming. I will show now. So let me open Naukri now. Let me open Naukri now. Naukri.com. If I go Naukri.com, okay, Naukri is opening. Let's continue. Naukri.com homepage. Okay, I want go for the jobs. Let me search for the job called Go programming. Go programming. Go. Okay, yeah. Let me go for the jobs. Can you see? Can you see how many jobs are posting? How many jobs are posting for the Go? Even freshers also you'll be finding n number of jobs. Even freshers also you will be finding n number of jobs for the Go. And go with the LinkedIn. Let me go LinkedIn. LinkedIn. LinkedIn.com. Yes, in the LinkedIn, I go to the jobs area. In the jobs area, I search for Go programming. I search for Go programming. Let me go with the Go programming jobs. You will be finding huge number of jobs. Can you see here? Can you see here? Senior Go developer, Golang developer, Golang trainee. Okay, so senior Golang developer, lead engineer Golang, and staff software engineer Golang in the Ping. Ping is the company. Ping is also required Golang. Okay, super. Ping identity. I am always discussing about the Ping identity. Na? That is, those people also require Golang actually. And Golang developer, Calsoft, Golang developer, Kumaran Systems, and Golang technical assistant, and EgoLeap, Java, even Java also recruiting Golang and Java, BMC software. Okay. And Motorola Solutions required Golang. Hash Technologies required Golang. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS required Golang. My God. This number of jobs which are going to be available. Vatusha is actually recruiting Golang developers just 2 weeks ago. This is hybrid mode. Okay. There are a number of jobs. You can go for the multiple pages here. I am opening only single page here. You can open 2, 3, 4 also. Huge number of jobs which is actually showing in the LinkedIn. And let me open found it. Let me open found it. Even in found it also, you will be searching for the Golang. Okay, so you would be searching for the Golang, Golang developer. Okay, search for Golang developer. Okay, so search for the jobs. You will be finding huge number of jobs openings, thousands of jobs. Can you see Golang developer, Python, Golang software developer, huge number of jobs now. So that much requirements are there in the companies for this Golang nowadays. Time jobs. Okay, that is times time jobs. Okay, I have time jobs. Huh? Okay, let me open time jobs here. And here you search for the again Golang developer. Golang developer. Okay, search for yes, I'm searching for Golang developer again. Okay, I don't want all these things. Okay, Golang developer. Okay, search for the Golang developer. I did not give any experience and location, and just let's find jobs and all. Yes, see, 1,18,649 jobs are actually showing for the front end, back end, Golang. See, guys, how many job openings which are actually showing? LinkedIn is showing a number of huge openings for freshers and experienced guys. All the things. This is a perfect programming language and emerging programming language. Already, this is a powerful programming language comparing to the Java and .NET, even PHP also. Okay, so let's have this particular videos I will upload into the YouTube, Mohansh Technologies YouTube channel. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Still so far people are actually watching the videos but not subscribing it. Please go ahead and subscribe. We are uploading n number of videos. We are uploading like Python videos free, Java videos free, and JavaScript videos free, and Golang videos free, Groovy scripting videos free, and so many other technical stuff also we are uploading, guys. And these all videos we are uploading free, but some 45 days paid sessions we will be having on emerging technologies like quantum computing, blockchain, web 3.js, blockchain, Python. At the same time, we will be having MuleSoft, and we will be having AML KYC. We will be having ethical hacking in cybersecurity. IAM products like identity access management, PingFederate, Ping Access, CyberArk, Okta, these SSO integrations. These kind of videos, these kind of videos also I will upload, but we will be having paid batches for that. Only 45 days. Within 45 days, we will complete the sessions, and we have the strategy like we don't want to waste a student time, and we don't want to waste a student money also. So time and money both are actually valuable, and go for emerging technologies. Don't go for old technologies like people are still waiting and learning years and years. Old technologies and people are not getting the jobs, and spreading the talk like jobs are not there, openings are not there, something like that. But this is not true. For emerging technologies, jobs are there, jobs are available, open positions are available. You practice well, believe, believe. Mohansh is going to be giving you jobs. Once you come to the Mohansh, you learn perfect with one technology within short period, with a small amount of money, you will be getting the jobs. That's all it. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. In the next video, I will install the software, Golang software, and I will go through the editor, and I will write the first program also. Yes. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and comments. Basically, comments are needful. And if you want any other subject like related concept like things, so many people are asking a lot of questions. Yes, I am replying it. Always I am replying the all the comments. Yes, comments are helpful for the students also. For different kind of students also, comments are important. That's it, guys. Have a good day. See you signing off. Happy Vijayadashmi, everyone. Bye bye. We'll meet again, guys. Signing off. See you.